Everybody, welcome to today's Maimonides Mitzvah moment. I'm here with my friend Michael Davidson. Michael, you got to stand up so they can see your Hanukkah. That is very funny. Your grandmother did not knit that one, I don't think. All right, sit down.
It's homemade.
So, Michael, give us the first mitzvah.
Not to work on Shavuot.
That is correct. It actually, Michael, that counts as two mitzvahs. There's a positive and a negative. There's a positive mitzvah to rest on the holiday of Shavuot, and then there's a negative prohibition, thou shalt not do work on Shavuot as well. So when you rest on Shavuot, you're doing two mitzvahs at the same time. Okay? Perfect. Okay, and now on to the next one.
Not to work on Rosh Hashanah.
Not to do work on Rosh Hashanah. And again, that counts as two mitzvahs. There's the positive mitzvah to rest, negative prohibition, thou shalt not do work. Now, how do we define work? What exactly are you supposed to avoid on these holidays? So the Jewish law explains, or the Rambam explains, that anything that you would not be allowed to do on Shabbat is also forbidden on Shavuot, Rosh Hashanah, Pesach, all of the Chagim. Okay? With one major exception, when it comes to preparing food, which in many instances cannot be done on Shabbat. You cannot cook food on Shabbat. On the Chagim, that's okay. You're allowed to cook food on the holidays. And it's not just cooking. You can do a lot of, many of the activities that are prohibited on Shabbat, if they are related to food preparation, become permissible on the holidays. So let's say you're not supposed to knead dough on Shabbat, but on the holidays that's permissible as well. Another key distinction is one of the 39 forbidden forms of work on Shabbat is to carry something in a public domain. You're not supposed to go out with your pocket, with your wallet, or with your knapsack from private domain into a public domain, or carry something in a public domain. On the Chagim, on the holidays, that's perfectly okay. Why are we talking about Shavuot and Rosh Hashanah if Hanukkah is coming up? Because why not? Happy Hanukkah.
Freilichen Hanukkah.